Hello, Jumbo Mo. It's me, Hilona underscore KE. Welcome and welcome so much to my YouTube channel. Hey. This video is a comprehensive video of different kinds of things. Gardening. Let's have a look at our garden. In this video of passion. Passion can really move mountains. That's what I can say. In this video of passion, as I told you, it will be a comprehensive video of something here and there and there. So I decided to share with you this part of the garden. You can see the way passion has taken us to creating this beautiful design. So let's also see our flowers, the way they are growing. See the way the flowers are growing. And I put some flowers there. It was 1 euro. And then the tomatoes, I have planted them there. This is also flowers. They are yet to find a location. Our onions. The onions are growing. And those ones are the beetroot. Beside it is the beetroot. Then here, we planted more of black nightshade. Let me do this. And here also we have planted. And this one is growing too fast. That's why I say summer here in Finland. Hey. See. It has some thorns. See. We will have more fruits this year. Those ones. It's coming too fast. What? It has a lot of thorns. I think we have to come and secure it so that it does not pine us here and there. So let me go this side. It has been a while since I came and see this. I have to take them to the sun. What was this? This was a broccoli. It was giving it a test. Let me remove it to the sun. Broccoli for the first time. And it is coming. It is coming. The other one was a red pepper. I think I have to put them to the sun. This one also is the broccoli. Broccoli. It was on back. Then this one is kurpitsa. What is this? Kurpitsa. This one kurpitsa. This is tomatoes. Yeah, tomato. But I think these are a bit late, but let's see. We hope we will have a long summer. These ones are the ones with just red pepper, butternut. I have to put them to the sun. It always requires a greenhouse or a terrace, a warm terrace. So that is how it is. And our garden, you see, we already have some flowers there. This season goes too fast. The season goes too fast. I've already done the farm here is ready. It's just coming and turning it and planting. We have not yet planted, imagine it is already June. Already, very soon, June, next week, Monday will be June. It will be June, but you know what, baby spinach. I think baby spinach needed to be eaten sooner. So the progress of the garden is like this. With the farm, something is also ongoing. Slowly by slowly, it takes passion. Passion is something it's not inbuilt. I think we develop slowly by slowly. Let me show you now what we will come and plant there. The black nightshade. It has taken time before it has grown. That's why we have not yet transplanted. Let me show you. Here is the black nightshade. I think we have to transplant it very soon. It has grown. I think I have to remove this because it is preventing it. There are very many. I remove this. Let me put it here. This is how it looks like. They're growing. There are many. That's why it's very thin. But these are the black nightshade we planted. There are quite many. And this one here was the baby spinach. What? The baby spinach has worked baby, so baby spinach. It was here. Then we transplanted. I think we could have eaten it direct. And then this one, nani. The saga is a sagaring. This one we don't transplant it. We just take it there and it will sort itself out. So this is how far it is. And I am yet to plant all those things there. Slowly by slowly, slowly by slowly. This one, I planted some flowers. Yet to see how it is growing. Oh, gardening requires passion. This one is a rose flower. It's also coming slowly by slowly. So my people, kindly watch this video up to the end. I have to silute. I have to keep these ones for the next part of this gardening. Keeping of tools is very important. Very, very important. This one also is a rose flower. It's growing slowly by slowly. So keep on watching up to the end. Yes. Farming. All those kind of things. Kigure Chocho's Chronicles. The farmer and the mukulima are seriously farming. Onions, beetroot, everything. The rain is raining. The farmer and the mukulima. Chocho's Chronicles during spring 2026. It is starting to rain, oh, but no problem. 30 minutes, then we go. Yes. Let's do this. Next chronicle. Number 3. Chocho's Chronicles. It will be 1, 2, 3. This one is the 4th one. Beautiful, beautiful. In carrots, onions, beetroot. Serious business. Then that one we will put. This one is sipuli. This one is a palm sipuli. There. So it will come here. And in this specific video, I would like to talk about passion. Passion is something that, it's something that you develop towards something. And it's a driving force towards something. Personally today, for this video, I've planned it like for 3 years. When I started my YouTube channel, I promised my people, I always remember what I promised, that one day we will make flower pots with you. These ones, this is what I promised, that I will show you how we make flower pots. This kind of flower pots, very beautiful, very beautiful. This one is now Corona time. It's now like 5 years, let's say 5 years, because Corona was 2020. Now we are in 2026. So it has taken this long for me to do this video. And I told myself that this evening, even if the weather is bad, in fact this kind of things last this kind of weather, but I have already assembled everything, and I want to show you how these are made. Then in another video I will specifically show you the kind of cement. I went to buy cement, but I never showed that video, and bought sand, but I never showed that video. But there is a video which will be coming your schools, which I will show you where to buy cement, where to buy sand, assembling them, the ratio, and what to use. So to make these kinds of pots, allow me show you first the way we assemble. I've assembled cement. Yeah, it's like this one. I have measured this 1 liter, 1 kg is here, and then I have sand. This one's, it's like how many mm? 0.2 mm or to 0.6 mm. Yo, this is also 1 liter, and I have this there 1 liter. What requirements? What we require? You know what we require. This one was the last time I was using this one, that's why it's broken there. Passion is a driving force towards something. What will you love doing? And this is part of the things I love doing. Cassiture, making my own flower pots, doing gardening here and there, doing farming here and there, arranging things here and there. So I'm here to inspire you. The aim of my videos is to explore, inspire, and we have fun. Now we are having fun despite the weather being gloomy. So I want to make four flower pots like these ones, but smaller ones. So we always require cement, sand, a towel, muotoilu, the one which will give us the design. I've already arranged them so that it can be faster, but in another video we'll start from 0. So because of the kind of weather that we have, we are going to do it faster. So here is the cement. Okay, cement. So we are going to add sand. Let's make more of, you know, I use cinema. 1 kg, but I want to just start with not everything. Then we mix. Riba. Mix like this. We want to make a strong one. Even this one, I don't remember what was the ratio. I think some of them add more of cement in some of them. So this one also, I think the sand is a bit rough. So allow me use not almost full of it. Then I have water here. Hey, let me just put the water. Then we mix. Yes. Okay. Then we mix. Then I will just see if I have added too much water or what. This kind, it just requires patience, you know. It just requires some sort of patience. You see? The kind of cocktails it comes. Like this. Woo, this is perfect, huh? It's like the way you are making porridge. It is starting to rain, but we are doing this faster. This is the first one after 5 years. So it has been a while. So our mixture is now evenly mixed. You see, you require a spoon. So our mixture is now evenly mixed. So I'm going to start with these small ones. I have this small one and I have a big one like this. But I guess big one will require more. So let me start with this small one. You just wet it a bit and then you put here. Then you mix. You make it absorb. You just mix. You make it absorb everything. I think it should be more because it looks like it's little. Should be more of this. Someone once said, job is job. I think it required more of this. I met little, but let's see. We'll just add. Then you just mix. So, due to the weather condition, we have to end this video. But it's now ready here. I'll just remove it from here and put it here. I added cement 1 kg there. So I will just remove, put it here, and maybe I will show you next time when it is dry, But due to weather condition, we have to end this video here. But I encourage you to have passion. Whatever you do, have passion. Have passion. So, from me, Ilona_KE, I say thank you so much for watching my videos, for being encouraged, for pressing forward each and every time. And I say, see you in my next video, okay? Bye-bye. Kabush, we are doing what? We are pushing forward. Thank you. Bye-bye.